Many people follow the lacto-vegetarian diet for its flexibility and health benefits. Like other variations of vegetarianism, a lacto-vegetarian diet can help reduce your environmental impact. However, you should take several factors into account to ensure your diet is healthy and balanced. This video looks at the benefits and downsides of a lacto-vegetarian diet, in addition to providing a list of foods to eat and sample meal plan. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. What is a lacto-vegetarian diet? The lacto-vegetarian diet is a variation of vegetarianism that excludes meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs. Unlike some other vegetarian diets, it includes certain dairy products, such as yogurt, cheese, and milk. People often adopt a lacto-vegetarian diet for environmental or ethical reasons. Some also choose to follow the diet for health reasons. In fact, reducing your intake of meat and other animal products may be associated with several health benefits. Other common forms of vegetarianism include the lacto-ovo-vegetarian diet, ovo-vegetarian diet, and vegan diet. Benefits. Following a nutritious, well-rounded lacto-vegetarian diet can offer impressive health benefits. Potential health benefits associated with this eating pattern. 1. Improves heart health. Multiple studies have found that lacto-vegetarian diets may improve heart health and decrease several common risk factors for heart disease. A review of 11 studies found that vegetarian diets like the lacto-vegetarian diet may help lower total and LDL cholesterol, both of which can contribute to heart disease. Several other studies have found that vegetarian diets may be linked to reduced blood pressure. This is beneficial, as high blood pressure is a key risk factor for heart disease and stroke. 2. Promotes blood sugar control. Some research suggests that adopting a lacto-vegetarian diet could help enhance blood sugar control. A review of 6 studies, including 255 people, linked vegetarian diets to significant reductions in hemoglobin A1C, a marker of long-term blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. Another review reported that following a vegetarian diet was associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. In addition, a study including more than 156,000 adults found that those who followed a lacto-vegetarian diet were 33% less likely to develop type 2 diabetes, compared with those who followed non-vegetarian diets. 3. Supports weight loss. Adopting a lacto-vegetarian diet may not only be good for your health but also your waistline. In fact, several studies have shown that vegetarians tend to have a lower body mass index than those who eat meat. Vegetarians also tend to consume fewer calories and more fiber than meat eaters. Both of these factors may be especially beneficial for weight loss. A large review of 12 studies showed that people who followed a vegetarian diet for 18 weeks lost an average of 4.5 pounds more than non-vegetarians. 4. May reduce the risk of certain cancers. Numerous observational studies have found that following a lacto-vegetarian diet may be associated with a reduced risk of several types of cancer. Notably, vegetarian diets have been linked to a 10 to 12% lower risk of developing cancer overall. They've likewise been linked to a reduced risk of specific types, including colorectal and breast cancer. Keep in mind that these studies show an association, not a cause-effect relationship. Further research is needed to evaluate whether following a lacto-vegetarian diet may help reduce your risk of cancer. Potential downsides. A balanced lacto-vegetarian diet can supply all the nutrients your body needs. However, without proper planning, it may increase your risk of nutritional deficiencies. Meat, poultry, and seafood supply a range of important nutrients, including protein, iron, zinc, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs are also rich in many micronutrients, such as vitamins A and D. A deficiency in these important nutrients can cause symptoms like stunted growth, anemia, impaired immune function, and mood changes. If you're following a lacto-vegetarian diet, make sure you're getting these nutrients from other food sources or supplements to meet your daily needs. Filling your diet with whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, milk products, and plant-based, protein-rich foods will help ensure you're getting the nutrients you need. In some cases, a multivitamin or omega-3 supplement may also be necessary to help fill any gaps in your diet. Foods to eat. A healthy lacto-vegetarian diet should include a variety of plant-based foods and dairy products. Here are some foods you can enjoy as part of a lacto-vegetarian diet. Fruits such as apples, oranges, berries, melons, peaches, pears, bananas. Vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, kale, spinach, peppers, arugula. Legumes such as lentils, beans, chickpeas, peas. Healthy fats such as avocado, coconut oil, olive oil. Whole grains such as barley, buckwheat, quinoa, oats, rice, amaranth. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, cheese, butter. Protein foods such as tofu, tempeh, nutritional yeast, whey, vegetarian protein powder. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, pistachios, Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, nut butters. Seeds, chia, flax, hemp, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds. Herbs and spices such as cumin, turmeric, basil, oregano, rosemary, pepper, thyme. Foods to avoid. A lacto-vegetarian diet does not include meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs. Here are some of the foods you should avoid as part of a lacto-vegetarian diet. Meat such as beef, pork, veal, lamb, and processed meat products like bacon, sausage, deli meat, and beef jerky. Poultry such as chicken, turkey, goose, duck, quail. Seafood such as salmon, shrimp, anchovies, sardines, mackerel, tuna. Eggs which include whole eggs, egg whites, and egg yolks. Meat-based ingredients such as gelatin, lard, suet, carmine. Sample meal plan. Here is a 5-day sample meal plan that you can use to get started on a lacto-vegetarian diet. Monday. Breakfast, oatmeal with cinnamon and sliced banana. Lunch, veggie burger with sweet potato wedges and side salad. Dinner, bell peppers stuffed with quinoa, beans, and mixed veggies. Tuesday. Breakfast, yogurt topped with walnuts and mixed berries. Lunch, curried lentils with brown rice, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes. Dinner, stir-fry with peppers, green beans, carrots, and sesame ginger tofu. Wednesday. Breakfast, smoothie with whey protein, veggies, fruit, and nut butter. Lunch, chickpea pot pie with a side of roasted carrots. Dinner, teriyaki tempeh with broccoli and couscous. Thursday. Breakfast, overnight oats with chia seeds, milk, and fresh fruit. Lunch, burrito bowl with black beans, rice, cheese, guacamole, salsa, and vegetables. Dinner, vegetarian chili with sour cream and a side salad. Friday. Breakfast, avocado toast with tomatoes and feta cheese. Lunch, lentil baked ziti with roasted asparagus. Dinner, falafel wrap with tahini, tomatoes, parsley, onions, and lettuce. Lacto-vegetarian snack ideas. Here are a few healthy snacks you can include on a lacto-vegetarian diet. Carrots and hummus. Sliced apples with nut butter. Kale chips. Cheese and crackers. Mixed fruit with cottage cheese. Roasted edamame. Yogurt with berries. Trail mix with dark chocolate, nuts, and dried fruit. The lacto-vegetarian diet excludes meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs, but includes dairy products. It may be associated with numerous health benefits, including a reduced risk of cancer, increased weight loss, and improved blood sugar control and heart health. Yet, be sure to fill up on nutrient-dense, whole foods to meet your nutritional needs. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.